All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today I have some really exciting news. After being in the works for so long and being put off again and again and again, today I have officially launched a brand new course, which is our Training for Hiking Do-It-Yourself course. So today's episode, I'm going to be talking through a little bit about this course and why I think it's going to be such a fantastic resource for so many hikers out there. Now, if you've been listening to this podcast, you probably know already that I am hugely passionate about training for hiking. And I know that following a structured and specific training program can be one of the best things a hiker can do to help them feel capable and confident to get through their adventures, succeed and enjoy, and ultimately just have a good time throughout. And I know from the years and years and years of training for hikers just how effective this type of stuff can be. But I also do know, as much as we help a lot of hikers each year through our online personal training programs, I know there are a lot of people out there who may not really need our full coaching services. Maybe they're the type of person they're like, you know what, I kind of don't really need someone to lay things out. I just want to learn some information so I can figure things out for myself. Or there might be people who are like, you know what, realistically, on the financial side, I probably don't really want to invest in a full coaching service. And either of those situations are absolutely fair enough. And over the years, a lot of people have asked, hey, is there anything that kind of fills this gap here? Anything that's a bit in between, the information you put online, the free stuff, and then also these full coaching programs? And is there anything that I can sort of, get from you which may help me just figure this out for myself? And essentially, finally, after so long, we have finally put together a resource for this. And this is our Training for Hiking Do-It-Yourself course. Now, this online course is designed to teach a hiker how to create their own strength and conditioning program to best support their hiking. So you can access all the amazing benefits that effective training for hiking can bring to your time on the trail in a cost-effective and self-paced manner. Now, in the course, we've got a bunch of different modules, which are going to go over a range of different topics, but a few bits and pieces that are going to be included. Number one is clear instructions on how to plan your training hikes. Because I know so many hikers out there struggle with this. They just go out and do random hikes on the trail, and sometimes that leaves them a little bit underprepared, or maybe they just do a little bit too much too soon. So we'll give you clear instructions to ensure that you will have a successful build around your hiking, no matter what your schedule may have. We'll also give you a recipe list of great cardio workouts for hikers, which will have a range of different options which you can do outdoors, home, or in the gym, and essentially will give you ideas around these are some specific sessions that you can do to improve your conditioning, improve your cardio for the trail, and you'll be able to fit that around your life, your need, and your preferences. We'll also give you a plug-and-play system to create effective strength training workouts. So we'll give you simple templates to follow, simple directions where you can create your own strength workouts to build up your strength and endurance and your capabilities on the trail. We'll give you simple directions on how to adjust your training. If you're preparing for a big trip, if you're leading up to a particular date and a particular endpoint, or if you're just wanting to maintain your fitness for regular hiking. And there are some subtle differences between the two. We'll talk through some time-efficient strategies on how to aid your body's recovery and relaxation in between sessions, helping you stay fresh and strong and ready to roll, and also give you some valuable insights on how to stay consistent with your training over the long term. Now, basically the way this course works, it's really simple. If you want to get involved, you basically sign up to the course, you'll get an email which will give you access to our education platform, our brand new education platform, I should say, where we have all the course laid out in a series of video lessons which break down every topic in quite a bit of detail. Now, essentially what you do, in step number one, you work through these lessons, you watch the content, watch the ideas. Step number two, then you basically take all the action points and all the instructions we've given you, and you put together your own training program. And in this program, you will have a hiking plan, a strength training plan, a cardio workout plan, and recovery workouts. So all of that will go together in your week, and you'll be able to put this together in a way which will fit around you and your life, your preferences, and your needs. And then step number three, once you've gone through that, once you've got your plan, then you just got to go out and do it yourself. Now, admittedly, this section, when you're putting your training into action, that's not really going to be a part of the course because we're not coaching you, we're not supporting you through this. So you need to go out and do this. But step number one and number two, we will make sure you know everything you need to get that all sorted. Now, if you want to get involved with this course, you want to learn a little bit more about it, potentially sign up, all you need to do is go to summitstrength.com.au/do-it-yourself. That's summitstrength.com.au/do-it-yourself. And I'll leave a link for that in the show notes below. You can learn a little bit more about this program and check it out. And if you want to get involved, you can sign up. Now, one thing I will sort of say, I am releasing this episode on Monday morning, 21st of October, 2024, the first day we've released this course. Now, due to this being a brand new course and a brand new launch, we are offering a substantial discount for this week only. And if you do choose to join up on the course for this week only, we'll be giving 40% off the usual price. Now, I'm never going to give a 40% discount on this price ever again. This is a one-time thing. So if you want to get involved, go to the website, sign up this week. Do not hesitate. Now, a couple of extra notes just to be really, really clear. This course, it is a do-it-yourself training course. We will be giving you the information on how you can put together your own course. But to be clear, if you sign up for this course, you are not going to be provided with a pre-made program or coaching support. This isn't a coaching program. This isn't me giving you a training plan. This is me giving you the information to put together yourself. Also, this probably isn't for people who really need help with early stage rehab or injury. If you just rolled your ankle, if you just had a surgery and you're in the early stages of rehab and you don't know what you're doing there, go see a physio, go see a physical therapist. Definitely get that sorted. It's also not for people who are looking for a weight loss plan. This isn't about weight loss. There are 1,000,001 products out there which talk about weight loss. And for me, I don't really care about that. It's not a part of this plan. If you want that, go somewhere else. And not to be rude there, we definitely do support hikers with their weight loss if they really want, but this course does not talk about it. And also, it's not for people who are looking for a quick fix solution. This course, you will have to go through the lessons. You will have to put together your plan, and then you will have to actually go out and do the sessions for you to see the results you want. So it will require a bit of effort on your behalf. But if you are a hiker who wants to get fit, strong, and resilient for your adventures, and if you are self-motivated and willing to put a little bit of work and effort and time to learn and apply this information, this could be really, really, really good for you. I think it's going to be a really useful resource, and it is so cost effective that I think almost anyone is going to be able to get involved. So if you want to check out the course, go to summitstrength.com.au/do-it-yourself. Again, I'll leave a link in the show notes below. You can check it out, see if it's for you. And if you do want to sign up, make sure you get in this week while this discount's on and get involved. And from there, hopefully I'll see you inside the course and we're going to have a chat from there. So with that being said, thank you so much for listening today. I really do hope a few listeners get involved because I think it's going to be an awesome resource. So thanks for listening. I hope you have a fantastic day and we'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.